Don't wanna get ahead of myself, feeling things I've never felt. It's kind of hard for me to explain her
Sherry,
personality.
thank you for coming into my world. You have made my life complete. I vow to always be the best man I can be and to give you the love and life you deserve. I promise to put up with all of your dribble, but please, for my sanity, keep it to a minimum. You are my world, and I now look forward to spending my life with you as my wife. I love you with all my heart.
My love, John Marsh. E-Harmony Online dating was how it got us together. Oh, shit. When I first saw your profile, never would I want to meet someone who's bald. But it was a profile that caught me. Do you remember the very first day that we met? I actually fell in love with your eyes. Never would I thought I would meet someone, or rather, to get married again. We both have had to travel about 2 hours for almost 4 years to see each other over the weekends and always spend as much as we could. During all these years, I have experienced so much with you, like going to concert, theatre play, fine dining, holidays, and the recent adventures like the zip line, skywalker, giant swing, hot air balloons, which I never had done it if I had not met you. With you by my side, you always give me lots of encouragement and support. I really appreciate what you have done, and most importantly, you make a big sacrifice selling your house, whom you love and still, and move in with me. Looking forward to build our new home together. I knew that you are the one that I want to spend the rest of my life with. I know at times, or rather most of the time, you say I dribble too much probably, which is not true. You have become part of me, my lover, my companion, and my best friend for eternity. I hope this is the beginning of our journey to happiness and many more to come. I love you.
Love you too.
She might just be my everything. So do you think I'm being foolish if I don't?
Welcome everyone, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends. We are here today to celebrate the very special love between Sherry Sia and John William Marsh by joining them in marriage. We invite you to leave behind the worries and concerns of everyday life and join us in the celebration of their marriage. And they would like to thank you all for coming all the way, and not raining yet, Samui, to witness this bonding. It means so much to them to have you all here today. And for those who could not be here, the bride and groom would like you to know that you are always in their hearts, no matter where you are.
Melody takes me back to the place that I know. On the beach, down on the beach.
Sherry, I vow to make you happy
I vow to make you happy
and to always be there for you.
and always be there for you.
I promise to listen
I promise to listen
and to always consider your feelings
and to always consider your feelings
as we travel together on this journey.
as we travel together through this journey.
I promise to be your best friend.
I promise to be your best friend.
I vow to always protect you from harm.
I vow to always protect you from harm.
I vow to make my life forever yours.
I vow to make my life forever yours.
I build my dreams around you.
I build my dreams around you.
I promise to be the man
I promise to be the man
that I see now in your eyes.
that I see now in your eyes.
John,
John,
You are my best friend.
You are my best friend.
I promise to love you
I promise to love you
and grow old with you.
and grow old with you.
You shall never walk alone,
You shall never walk alone.
as I will always be with you.
I will always be with you.
And I promise to support your dreams.
I promise to support your dreams.
I know I'm not perfect,
I know I'm not perfect,
but I love that you treat me like I am.
but I love the way you treat me as I am.
We will always be together,
We will always be together,
today and till the ends of our days.
today and
Till the end
till
of
the
our
end of
days.
the day.
Our days.
Our days.
Strange desire and a night that burned like fire. Take me back to the place that I know. On the beach, yeah. Oh, down on the beach, yeah, down on the beach, on the beach, yeah.
This day,
I vow to be yours forever.
I vow to yours forever.
Whenever
Whenever
you see this ring,
you see this ring,
think of me
think of me
and remember the moment
and remember the moment
we created today.
we created today.
Do you accept this ring
Do you accept this ring
as a sign of my love?
as a sign of my love?
Yes, I do.
I found a love
Sherry,
Today I marry you
today I marry you
with all that I have
with all that I have
and all that I am.
and all that I am.
Whenever you see this ring,
Whenever you see this ring,
think of me and remember
think of me and remember
that I love you always.
that I love you always.
Do you accept this ring
Do you accept this ring
as a sign of my love?
as a sign of my love?
I do.
someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Well, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, your
Sherry and John, now that you have stood before me, your friends, your family, and these witnesses exchanged these rings and these vows, having agreed to be married, it is my great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Let's make some noise. You may kiss the bride.
barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I
Ladies and
whispered
gentlemen, may I present to you the
underneath
newlyweds,
my
Mr. and
breath.
Mrs. John and Sherry.
Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday we'll share our home. I found love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be your girl, you'll be my man. And I see my future in your eyes. Well, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, while listening to our favorite song.
When I saw you in that dress,
Looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this.
darling, you look perfect tonight. tonight.